In 2020, the OECS hosted the inaugural Sustainable Development Movement Summit, SDM. The movement created a space that brought together over 10,000 development partners, global entrepreneurs and leaders, the public sector, civil society, and academia to have dialogue and agitate action concerning innovation, growth, and development of small island developing states. We reached over 13 million persons worldwide, with messages in over 200 countries and regions across the world, amassed over 100 partnerships, and had our message published in over 200 news articles globally. Scheduled as a conglomerate of events, in its second year, the SDM will focus on the growth and development of SIDS through disruptions, solid innovations, agility, and inclusion, thereby fostering exponential growth. The movement's motivation for 2021 is nestled in the Agile Manifesto, which precludes the importance of meaningful partnerships over processes and tools, action and impact over comprehensive documentation, collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over sticking to the plan. The 21 SDM 2020 ambassadors were the face of the movement in 14 countries across the world. Through their actions, they reached close to 300,000 persons worldwide, hosted 32 events, and locked down 12 partnerships. This group was on fire. The Commission of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States is calling outstanding, enthusiastic individuals and leaders from across the world to serve in the capacity of ambassadors for the Sustainable Development Movement 2021. As ambassadors, you will contribute to the advancement of the SDM by raising awareness about issues affecting small island developing states in your country. SDM ambassadors work with the Commission to amplify the global message of sustainable development. They lead from the front lines, expanding their networks and building long-term personal and professional partnerships. Visit OECSSDM.com to learn more about partnering with the OECS to become an SDM 2021 ambassador. The deadline for applications is December 31st, 2020.